Hi everyone, Krista here with PK1homeschoolfun.com, and here's everything you get in my Spelling Printables Mega Pack. The first thing you'll get is a cover and try it spelling worksheets. You're going to get these for 4, 5, 10, and 14 words. The next thing you'll get are my letter outline worksheets for 8-letter words and for 12-letter words. Next, you have my spelling room practice with outlines worksheets for 8-letter words and 12-letter words. Next, you'll get my Super Speller book, a printable book that kids can add columns for each letter of the alphabet and record all of their spelling words in. Next up, you're going to get my spelling spinners, both in color and in black and white, for words of 3 letters all the way up to 12 letters. That's what they look like when they're all together. And these are using spinners that I bought from Amazon for pretty cheap. If you don't have those spinners, you can use a paper clip and a brad, or use the included spinner pointers in the file. And the final thing included in my Mega Pack are these practice worksheets for 3-letter words all the way up to 12-letter words that are to be used with the spelling spinners. And that is my Spelling Printables Mega Pack. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you enjoy!